Awesome. So you guys made it all the way through that first video, and now you've answered the 3 questions. You've answered, what is an example of rounding? 4 plus 7 equals 11? I don't think so. 55 rounded to the closest 10 is 60? Making circles in the snow? I don't think so. So you should have selected 55 rounded to the closest 10 is 60. That's an example of rounding. We're making numbers easier to work with. The second question, what can you measure? Choose all that apply. Can you measure weight? Yeah. Height? Yeah. Time? Yeah. Volume? Yes. 4 plus 7 equals 11? What? No, I can't measure that. Ugh. You should have selected all of these. The last question you answered was, what does estimate mean? To make a smart guess? That sounds right. To jump in snow? What? No. To add? I'm pretty sure that has something else to do with our target language. I'm going to say this. Awesome. If those are the answers you selected, great. If not, you can change them now or leave them. Now let's go back and get started on our warm-up. We are not going to group count today, but you are going to choose one of these to count. I would like to see if you do 3s to 30, 4s to 40, 6s to 60, 7s to 70, 8s to 80, or 9s to 90. You can use a piece of paper, you can use a whiteboard, you can even use a napkin and a marker if you want. Click the next question is going to ask which of these you did. Go ahead and do one of these and then show me which one you did.